Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. And we're going to get right into the video for today, and it is from Ipsy. And this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And this is $25 a month, where you will get 5 full-size products. And there is no more wait list. I believe you can just go on the site and get the Glam Bag Plus. If you already get the Glam Bag, there are like 2 tabs across I think the screen. One side is Glam Bag Plus and the other is just the Glam Bag. So I think now everybody can join in and not have to be waitlisted, because that kind of was difficult to be put on the list and come off the wait list. And they do have a beauty profile that they, I think do their best to personalize. I don't know any company that is 100% following the list for personalization. But I am excited to do this one. I love my regular Ipsy, which I haven't received my both of my bags. I do Ipsy versus Ipsy for the Glam Bags, and I haven't gotten either one of those. So I think maybe by the end of this week, Thursday or Friday, I should be getting those. But I wanted to get into this one, and this is what it looks like. Oops. When you open it, you have a little, you always get a little, now we're getting cards. And then when you open it, and I did get some add-ons this month, so I'll show you that. So we will, it says, your dreams are your realities in waiting. And it's Ipsy Daydream. And then the cards that we get, just tell you all about the products. And then there's usually more on the back. Just gives you information, which is nice. So where is the start? So we'll do the very first product that is on the card. And I guess there's 2 of them here. Are they taped together? Or are they in? I guess they're wrapped. So I'm just going to cut into them. You have 2 lip coloring pencils here, and it's a duo in Lust and Media. So these are the 2. Here's their packaging. So it's Illamasqua lip coloring pencil duo in Lust. This one was the Lust. If I'd hold up the right one. So this is Lust, and it does give you the color on the side. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know if this one's going to focus or not. So that's Lust, and then this is Media. And they have a value of $21. So we will open these. I don't mind a lip pencil. I'm not into the whole line your lip thing. Sometimes I use it, obviously to line. It helps keep your lipstick inside the line that you, when you line your lips, especially with, reds, anything that could bleed out into your, as you get older. And some younger women have it. You start to get fine lines. So this is the pencil right here. So that's the color. This is Media. This is what that looks like. And I will swatch it because I'm going to keep these. They're very nice. So here is the swatch, and here is the color that's on the back of the lip liner. Very pretty. I like that. Trying to move stuff out of my way here. So that was Media. So I'm just going to close that up. And then the next one is Lust, which should be this one. Yes, Lust. Very, very pretty color. Almost like a corally pink shade. Very nice. You could wear that with a lot of lip products. And here is the other one in Lust. I just want to make sure I'm right side up here. So this is Lust. So you can see the color. And here's the color of the pencil. So these will have to be sharpened. They're very similar. They go on very, very pretty. So Lust is this one out here. So you can see. So here, I guess if I had the right end. So here is this color, and then it's right there on the end. Very pretty. I mean, they went right on nicely. Hopefully they go on your lips just as nice. So I'm happy about that. And the value is $21 each. So if these are each $21, here's $42, and we paid $25 for the box, so I'm happy about that. The next item on the card is from Wander Beauty, and let's find that in the box. And this is the Wondrous Seascape Eyeshadow Palette, and this is what it looks like. And this is the back, so it gives you a little hint of the colors. Nice packaging. And the packaging for the palette is the same as the outer box, which most are. It does have a mirror, so I'm going to cover that so that I don't blind anybody, because I have a light right in front of me because I've been having some lighting issues. And I'm still trying to work on that, and sometimes it goes dark, and I don't know why all of a sudden I'm having lighting issues. I've been using the same camera the entire time. So I'm working on that, and these are the colors. They're very, very pretty. And I've seen so many people unbox these, and they are very, very nice and creamy. So let's, you know what, I might not, because they're glitters. There's, I guess, 4 of them are like shimmer glitter type, and 2 are matte. I really don't think that the Sand Dollar, which is right down here, would probably be the only shade that I probably would wear. Maybe Sea Salt, which is here, which is a pretty pink. But I really just don't think that I would wear any of these colors. I am very minimal, and if I do wear eye makeup, it's very subdued and not in your face. A lot of times I have glasses on, so you really can't see it anyway. So I try not to go too crazy. I mean, I know if I went a little darker and maybe a little bolder, you would see it beyond my glasses. But I don't need my glasses 24/7, but I cannot see anything in front of my face. So I am farsighted without glasses. So I'm happy to get this and happy to include it in a future giveaway. And then the next item is right here, and this is Go To Face Hero, and this has a value of $34. And this is a this multitasking good for you cocktail of natural ingredients comes to the rescue by hydrating parched skin, brightening dull complexions, and soothing inflammation. It also helps combat fine lines, dark spots, and early signs of aging. And it says it will soak into your skin quickly, and it must have a dropper, so you just probably use a few drops. So let's see what it looks like on the inside. And that's a pretty package right here. And we will open this if I can. So yes, it does have a dropper. So there's your drop. So it's like an oil. I am all about skincare and moisturizers and anything that will hydrate. So I'm excited for this. So this is $34. And the Wander Beauty palette was $25. I don't know if I mentioned that. So we have those products. And then from a brand that's called Yensa, and I have received other more like sample sizes of Yensa, of like cleansers and face masks, and it's very, very nice. And this is Tone Up Primer Essential Glow. This has a value of $35. And this says to smooth evenly over clean skin before makeup to increase the staying power of your favorite foundation, or skip the makeup altogether and use the primer as a final step to your skincare routine. Okay. You're going to hear my dog whimpering in the background. She probably wants to go out. So this is what the product looks like. It's very nice. Let's see if it has a seal. Does not have a seal, but no, I am not going to put that on my skin. I do have quite a few products like this open, so I'd rather just keep it sealed. Just when you have too many things open all at once, I mean, I have tons of things open that I'm using and starting, then it sort of gets, you know, what's open, what's not. And then the last product that came in the box is from Il Makiage. And this is their High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara. and the value is $25. The color is black. This one I am not going to open the container, because it will activate the time frame that it's good for. Excuse me. And this is, obviously, a nice size. I've heard a lot of good things about Il Makiage just as a brand in general, so I would be excited to try that. I have so many mascaras open right now that I'm using, so I will save that and use that at a future time. So that is everything that came in the May 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And then a few of the add-ons that I got is one from Pixi Skin Treats, and it's the H2O Skin Drink. And I know this is coming in, I think, one or both of my Ipsy Glam Bags, the $10 bags, which I'm not mad at. I love Pixi products, and I have not tried this, and I am all about, it does have a safety seal, which is nice. My skin is just craving moisturizers right now. I mean, I am just putting it on during the day. If I don't have any makeup on, reapplying it. My nose and my chin are just very, very dry, so I'm excited to try that. So I chose that as an add-on. And then the other product that I chose from Pixi is also from their Skin Treats line, and this is their Glow Peel Pads, and this has rose water, glycolic acid, and this is extra, exfoliating treatment. So these are the glow pads. Huh? So that's interesting. So it really doesn't. So this is what it looks like. And it's a good size. This is definitely a full size. So that's a good size product. And then the last product I wanted to try, I've never tried anything from Innisfree. And this is Pore Clearly, and this is a clay mask. And this is the packaging. Small, tiny, but I still wanted to try something from Innisfree. And this is what the product looks like. No scent, and it definitely is creamy, but definitely a clay. Nice size little packaging. So there are the 3 items that I got as my add-ons, which this is the first month that I added anything on with my Glam Bag Plus. I'm trying to think if I've ever, I don't think I've done add-ons with my Glam Bag either. So we got 2 lip liners, a mascara, we have a tone-up primer, we have a palette from Wander Beauty in the box, and then we have the face oil from, I think it's Go-To. Yeah, Go-To is the brand. So that's everything that was in this month's box, which I am always pleased with. I do have a video out because I had, about Ipsy's customer service, I had contacted them about some points expiring, and I really don't think they should ever expire. And the lovely woman that I emailed sent me a box with, I think, 3 bags in with 2, 4, maybe 6 or so products inside. And that was just extremely lovely of her. And that just reinforced everything that I already thought about Ipsy and just took them up an extra notch. I think Ipsy as a whole and a company and a brand are just knocking it out of the park. And they're getting close, if not taking first place for one of the better beauty boxes that are out there for the price range. For $25, you can't go wrong. And even their $10 bags, because you get to try samples of brands that you might not have tried before, and then give you the opportunity to make a purchase for the larger size. But you already know that you like it because you've tried it. So that's the video for today. And this is like I said, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for May 2019. Don't forget to like this video. Leave me a comment down below. Do you get Ipsy, either bag? Do you like them? What do you think? Do you like the products you're getting? And tell me what you think about the box that I got. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We are growing nicely, and I do have a 750 subscriber giveaway video out there. If you haven't already entered, go find that video and enter. And it's a nice little giveaway package. And that's it for today. And thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye now.